Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, wanna take you for a ride on the BJ plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plane.
A lot of power than this one.
Oh yeah.
Man, it's ridiculous.
So what do you think? What do you think now? Telling you.
Hellcat.
Hey. Telling you.
GT.
You said Hellcat?
I'm telling you. So
the torque is
I was trying to tell him, I was like, hey, I like Hellcats. I was like, but you know,
Can I see the inside?
yes ma'am. I say speed wise, it's just it's just
You gotta take
quicker.
it for a spin though. You gotta take it for the vlog.
It
Yeah.
looks similar. Like, look, open that door. It looks similar. That's the 50th.
But that's the thing too is
This is the fifth one or?
yeah. It's pretty similar with all, like just like the Hellcats, like from the old to the new, they all look alike, but it's more like the transmission, the speed, and
Under
the
the
engine.
hood.
Yeah, under the hood is where it'll pay off.
Wrap?
Yeah, it's a wrap.
This is
Yeah. Yeah.
It's gonna be tough, bro. Like, hey.
Last night, cause we left after the second.
So yeah, we did
So
too.
so you go to the Addy office?
No.
Okay, yeah, I was pissed off because it was deep.
Yeah.
It was deep.
I got to the
was
college.
pissed
Yeah, I got to the college. He left.
You was there?
And then yeah, when he left, I was like, I don't know people. I'm going home. Like,
That's what I was saying.
It was
like,
so deep.
Yeah.
I was pissed off because they sent me the address like halfway.
there you go.
oh my goodness. I love you. That's what she want me to turn that to.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, it'll be so much
How to
fun.
make it the ZR1?
So it's just the biggest thing, huh? Under the seat.
ZL1, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the ZR1 is a Corvette.
My bad, that's what I really want.
Yeah. But the biggest thing is the engine. So I have a 6.2 liter supercharged engine. So factory is 650 horsepower. But of course I did some work to it. So
How much you spent?
we're sitting at like price
Well, that's not bad.
in horsepower.
Now, how much you spent?
I
for all
spent,
that?
the car was maybe 70, 75, and then I put about 20 grand into it.
Oh wow.
And then I think at the end of the month I'm gonna drop it off and do 200 shot of nitrous, and I want 1,000 horsepower.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
How long you had this car?
I bought it brand new in 2018.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted something different. Like I was like, man, I'm just gonna go get a Lambo or something, but the payment would be like $3,500. Oil change is $600, which is due every 6 months. So I was like, you know what, it's not worth it.
Happy to hear.
Yeah.
You look
What you just say?
They ran that back. They ran that back. Y'all gotta
Cancel him. He just met her mom 5 minutes ago.
chill out. Chill,
That was
chill
Oh,
out.
my bad.
Yeah.
Don't smoke home.
Yeah. All you gonna see is some pink going.
Man, Brando getting beat up
Yeah.
viral.
Oh, no.
I just bought this lens today. Melanin popping.
But yeah, once you drop it on the it's different. It's not what you think it is. I'm telling you.
Cause she has never drove this.
Okay.
CR1.
Yeah, you got. Yeah,
So hey, I got. Hey, what
first.
driving mode? What driving mode we just went through? What driving mode we gonna put her on? Not valet.
the teenager.
There's a teenager driving mode. Yeah.
It gonna go like.
Yeah, do that.
You can put in a teenage driving mode. Yeah. And it won't let her go. Like it won't let it'll control her acceleration and all that.
Makes you feel safe.
Okay, once you get past 60, you feel the car just shifting. Like
Yeah.
that shit, it got a mind of its own, bro. I'm not going Hellcat.
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, we'll get it in so it don't get too dark.
Yes, okay.
Yep.
I'll follow y'all.
Okay. So
Now, who gonna ride with who? Because we're going like
you gotta jump in with Jew.
Cause shit, we can just stay down there where we at.
Yeah, we'll go back.
Like, what y'all doing?
We're doing driving video, and then we can switch up. Yeah. Hey! Wait, do that again. Do that again.
Hey, that's different.
Hey, shout out to my insurance policy. I love y'all. I know y'all just emailed me today and say payment due.
Hey, and one thing, hey, and all this is fake. All
Yep.
this is green screen. We playing
Yep.
a video game, so all this is fake. You know what I'm saying?
props.
It's
Yeah.
props.
I'm fake right now.
Yeah.
Fine, yeah. It's, hey, it's an AI, bro.
Hey, GSP, I hope you're having a good day. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, we dead.
Uh-oh.
We dying today.
They don't put me in
You ready for this? You ready for this?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
My car smell like burnt rubber because he been driving it all damn day. Oh, okay. She ain't no rookie. She ain't no rookie. Okay. I see you.
Man. I'm about to go
Okay. She said she ain't playing, bro.
Did I tell you I'm supposed to be driving a track car?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun.
Oh my goodness, I'm not ready for that.
I'm telling you, that's gonna be fun. The good thing is, so like with this one, with a 10 speed, like if we were in it, you're gonna be back in your seat and it's just gonna keep pulling.
I saw you was going fast.
Yeah.
I was like, dang.
It's a lot of torque on the low end.
So you put E85 in here?
Yeah, E85.
That's hard to find.
It is. So all I do is fill up at racetracks. That's all I could do. It's hard, and it burned quick. Cause I just filled up last night when we went out.
What is it on right now?
Shoot, quarter tank. I was just on full.
Did you fill it up today?
I filled it, yeah.
No, that is
and
crazy.
just yeah.
That is crazy.
Yeah, you can hit a UE. Yeah, that's how it do. It just be downshifting on its own.
You know where they at?
They know to meet us on this street. They just got stuck at the light. Probably whip it around right here.
Oh my goodness. Oh my.
Yeah. I'm telling you, it's fun, man.
It's a straight shot. It's a straight shot. You ready?
Yep. What's that shit? Yeah.
Oh, I'm finna get this yo.
I'm telling you. Too much fun.
Yes.
Oh shit!
Can I turn?
I got it in like 2019. I had it for a minute now. He looking like, oh shit.
I'm about to turn around right here.
ain't dead yet.
Not yet.
Yeah, bruh. I'm thinking she gonna be driving this slow. Nope.
So that dude, he do it by himself. That is crazy.
Yeah. It make it easy.
Yeah. What is that? What is it? What's that even called?
I don't know. I just sports shift something.
This kid all with it, or you added it?
I added the one up top.
Where they at, bro? Where they at?
We could probably pull him by there and see what they doing. Is that him again? No.
I'm gonna just take off on him. God, I went far. I was like,
Yeah. Nine one one, POP. Oh. Yeah, yo, why that better get too loose?
one time my auntie, she was saying it was a whole group.
Yeah.
Whole group of chargers. She was terrified. She was like, I bet she's gonna go see that group now. I was like,
yeah.
Probably.
Exactly. Passenger in my own whip, bro. It's crazy.
So I'm scared for you to drive. Oh, it's better because I'll drive. I'll be like, okay, I know what I'm doing. I know where I'm going.
Yeah, let's switch. I got your ass. Let's go.
We gotta switch real quick. I'm gonna pull it right here.
Yeah. Hell, FedEx doing in the middle of nowhere.
No, for real. That's a good whole little meetup spot real quick. Ooh. I just know you finna go crazy.
Oh, not me. What you think?
Oh, no.
Yeah. Now y'all know I gotta do it.
Oh, Lordy.
Yeah, she got me. She got me all nervous.
Oh, Lordy, I'm all the way back here.
She got me on. Oh yeah, that one be back. You know, we go big manual mode on that one. Oh shit. Wait, don't stand in the road. Bro, she is getting it. There's no way she a rookie. There's no way she a rookie. Y'all the ones scaring me. Dang. Mom, this talking about, oh yeah, oh man.
Shit,
Might as well, hey, you can grab some content too, my boy.
Oh, you want me to drive it?
If you can take it for a little spin. Oh man, look who we got in this motherfucker. Hey, I'm just trying to make videos. I ain't trying to make this my last video. All right, let's see. You straight? Nah, don't worry about that. That ain't a bump. That's just a hump. Yeah. Go straight. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit.
Hey, this bitch fast.
I'm telling you, bruh. I'm telling you. Damn. And look, she in the back. Oh shit.
Can I launch it?
Yeah, you could give it a little. Give it a little
Why you
launch.
turn traction on?
I turned it off. TC off.
So what, just gun it?
It's gonna go sideways now. It ain't gonna go side for long. Go ahead, try it, cause it don't be liking it.
What you mean?
It's auto. It don't be liking that shit. See?
Hey, this thing got some good handling.
I'm telling you. Alright, don't kill all my tires, nigga. I need some tires left.
We're about to
One more
be
time.
on.
One more time.
Alright, one more. One small one. Man, $1,200 for a rear set. Alright, there you go. Yeah. Look. There go all my money. Oh shit. Yeah.
Oh, this thing feels crazy.
I'm telling you.
Oh.
I'm telling you.
Hey, I'm going Z.
Yeah! Yeah!
I'm going Z, bro. Stop playing with
Telling you.
Hey, look at that thumbnail real quick. Look at that thumbnail real quick.
Alright, bet.
It's going like a go-kart. You just gotta, you should have drawn mine.
So what you wait. What you trying to say is she should have drove yours first
Yeah, you should
before
have drawn mine
mine.
first before you drove
Okay.
his.
So one out of 10 though, like what's you rate the Z?
You gotta make it make sense.
0.
Hey.
Damn! It was
like
alright.
15, it's like,
Yeah. Oh my God! Wow! I appreciate you.
all that power.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Man.
This weekend.
Whoa. Yeah, whoa. Wanna take you for a ride on the big jet plane. Cause you icy, you ain't nothing like no plain Jane. Promise me that we'll always be on the same thing. I won't ever change lanes. Stay down, gotta maintain. Is you down for the ride? Whoa. We could be like by